Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen an online store selling a simple product and thought, why didn't I think of that? Well, that's the power of dropshipping. Right now, people are making thousands, sometimes millions, by selling products they don't even touch. And the best part? You can start today, with little to no money up front. But here's the catch: most people fail. Why? Because they don't understand the system. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make money with dropshipping, step by step. And if you stick around, I'll even reveal the biggest mistakes that kill most dropshipping businesses before they even begin. 1. The truth about dropshipping: why some fail and others make millions. Dropshipping sounds easy, right? Set up a store, list some products, and wait for the cash to roll in. But here's the reality: 90% of beginners fail within their first 3 months. Why? Because they underestimate the work involved. The difference between failure and success comes down to understanding 3 things: market demand, marketing, and consistency. Most beginners choose random products without research, expect overnight success, and quit when things get tough. Meanwhile, successful dropshippers study market trends, test different strategies, and refine their business like a well-oiled machine. Imagine 2 people starting at the same time. One picks a trending product, runs smart ads, and reinvests profits to scale. The other picks a product nobody wants and relies on luck. Guess who wins? If you want to be in the top 10% who succeed, keep watching. Because next, I'm going to show you how to pick products that actually sell. 2. How to find winning products that sell like crazy. Picking the right product is the single most important factor in dropshipping. The biggest mistake? Choosing something just because you like it. Instead, you need to find products that are already selling like crazy. Here's how. Use marketplaces and tools. Websites like AliExpress, Amazon movers and shakers, TikTok trends, and Google Trends show what's trending right now. Spy on competitors. Tools like Ecom Hunt and Dropshipping let you see what's selling well for other dropshippers. Solve a problem. Winning products make life easier, like a pet hair remover or a posture corrector. Impulse buy friendly. Customers should see it and think, I need this now. Think about it: how many times have you bought something random because an ad made it look irresistible? That's the psychology we're tapping into. 3. The $0 to $10,000 blueprint. Step-by-step guide to starting your store. Now that you have a winning product, let's build your store. Here's a simplified version of the process. 1. Pick a platform. Shopify is the best choice for beginners. 2. Get a domain name. YourStoryName.com looks more professional than a generic Shopify link. 3. Find a supplier. Use AliExpress or private suppliers for better quality and faster shipping. 4. Design your store. Keep it clean, professional, and easy to navigate. 5. Set up payments. Stripe, PayPal, and credit card processing ensure you get paid smoothly. Success isn't about launching the perfect store, it's about launching, testing, and improving fast. 4. The secret to finding reliable suppliers. Avoid these costly mistakes. Your supplier can make or break your business. A bad supplier means slow shipping, low quality products, and angry customers. Avoid these pitfalls by ordering samples first. Always test product quality. Checking supplier ratings. On AliExpress, look for 95% plus positive feedback. Using private suppliers. Once you're making consistent sales, switch to a supplier who can offer better quality and faster delivery. 5. The psychology of pricing. How to make customers buy instantly. Did you know pricing psychology can double or triple your sales? Here's how. Charm pricing. $19.99 feels cheaper than $20. Price anchoring. Show a regular price of $49.99, then discount it to $29.99. Offer free shipping. Increase your product price slightly to cover shipping, so customers see free shipping at checkout. 6. Facebook and TikTok ads. The fastest way to explode your sales. Dropshipping lives and dies by marketing. You need traffic, and fast. The best platforms for ads? Facebook ads, great for targeting specific demographics. TikTok ads, perfect for viral, low-cost advertising. Influencer marketing, pay small influencers $50, $100 to promote your product. The key is to test multiple ad creatives and scale the winners. 7. How to build a brand instead of just another dropshipping store. The biggest dropshipping mistake? Staying a generic store forever. To make serious money, you need to build a brand. Use custom packaging. Get your own logo. Create an engaged social media presence. Branded stores can charge higher prices and attract loyal customers. 8. Automation and AI. How to make money while you sleep. Want to scale without working 24/7? Use automation. Chatbots. Answer customer questions automatically. Email sequences. Recover abandoned carts. AI-powered ads. Some tools optimize your ads automatically. The less time you spend on manual work, the more you can focus on scaling. 9. The hidden costs of dropshipping. What no one tells you. Dropshipping isn't free money. Be aware of these hidden costs. Transaction fees, Shopify, Stripe, and PayPal take a cut. Refunds and chargebacks. Unhappy customers equals lost profits. Ad costs. Running ads is expensive, and most beginners burn money before finding a winning ad. Plan for these expenses to avoid cash flow problems. We covered a lot today: how to pick winning products, set up your store, find good suppliers, and scale with ads. Dropshipping isn't a get-rich-quick scheme, but if you follow these steps, you can build a real business. The biggest lesson? Test, improve, and keep going. If you found this valuable, check out the description or the first pinned comment. I left some useful links and exclusive recommendations for you. And since you stayed until here, YouTube chose the best video for you to watch next. It's on screen now. Click it, and I'll see you there.